Hey guys, my name is Steve with Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. I'm here with one of our new franchise owners, Dave. We're up here in Northern Virginia. Dave just started about a month ago, and Dave, so far, you know, being involved with our system so far, you know, I know for a new guy coming in, it might be a little intimidating, not sure what to expect. What would you say about our franchise system so far?
So far, I've been very pleased. I've had steady work this first month, and it's been early, and it's easy. I get the jobs on my tablet, and I do the work. I charge them, money goes right into my account. I don't have to worry about any scheduling or calling or anything. To me, it's perfect.
Okay. What do you think so far about our system, like working with our office, and you know, we do the advertising, we take the phone calls in, we schedule everything. How do you feel about working with our whole system so far?
Well, most of the houses I've gone to, they always say we're the #1 that pops up on Google. We're right on top. Home Advisor, we're right on top. I call the franchise line, they answer. I send an email, they answer. So everything's been pretty streamlined and straightforward. I haven't had any complaints.
Oh, cool. And you've been doing irrigation probably more than about 15 years.
Yeah, 18 years. 18
years. So, you know, you're a pro on the irrigation side. But would you say so far that, you know, everyone in our company that you've encountered, do we know what we're doing when it comes to the irrigation business?
I got to tell my wife and family, I said, these guys, to me already, in the short amount of time that I know them, they're like family. Everyone I talk to is nice, personable. We all trying to achieve the same goal, and that's what I like. The best description is like family. Everyone's nice, and they do what you have to do, and I do what I have to do, and they take care of all the stuff in the backside. I don't do any of that stuff. I get done with my list, I go home.
Yep.
I don't need to worry about calling, returning emails, any of that. I just do my list and go home. That's pretty nice.
All right, man. Well, we wish Dave the best of luck in his franchise endeavor, and we'll be updating you guys every so often with Dave's progress and how he's doing so far. So,
Perfect.
Good luck, man.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.